Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Excuse the backdrop, I'm currently on my dinner and unfortunately I don't have time to get home on my dinner unlike Kev and some other YouTubers. So what am I going to do up here? Well, what I've done is I've brought some of my workshop with me. So I've got two of these to clean up using these and that. So listen, it's boring, but people said they wanted me to do some YouTube videos, so this is what I'm currently up to right now. So I'm going to clean these up and then hopefully tonight I'll be able to put some etch primer on them, and then I'll bring some more parts to clean up if it works. Let's see. So as you can see, years and years worth of crud. So let's have a look. Well, you can see that it is actually working. So keep going. So then it's sort of worked. It's done for what I need it for anyway. There's the difference between the two. Is it perfect? No. Is everything clean that I wanted to get clean? Obviously the little hole in there that you can see, the bleed nipple, the mating surfaces for where the bolt goes through, and again for this one. I'll give them a quick rub down and a degrease before I put etch primer on them, but yeah, that's one done. Again, it's really hard to even film this because how many people have you seen do it now? How many YouTubers have you seen do this? They've all done it because they've all got the cars ready apart from me. So again, I'll film a bit of me doing the other one, but please don't expect a full time lapse of it because it's boring. So there you go. I use my my feet as a vice, sat on the back step of the van, and away we go. There you go, riveting I know. So I'll pause the video there. Right then, there we go. Two cleaned up. So like I say, I'll etch prime them when I get home tonight in the shed. But there's a bit of time that I don't have when I'm at home, so why not do it on my dinner? So I think I'm also going to do the hubs. And I'm also going to do the drive shafts possibly as well. Again, they're never going to rust away, are they? Because they're too thick. But I just want them to at least look pretty for 2 minutes when I go to fit them to the car. So that's them done, and I'll pick you back up when I get back to my shed later on. Right then, back at HQ, and I have given these just a final going over with the wire brush. I don't know why I couldn't remember the name of that. So that's that one, and that's that one. So they will just get a lick of paint now. Well, they'll get an acid etch primer, probably 1 or 2 coats of that, and then they will get a hammerite. So that'll be them done completely, because big thank you to Mr. Murphy. He has fitted new, what they're called, top arm rebuild kits. He's fitted 2 new ones of them inside there, because you have to use a slide hammer. I was going to purchase one, but to be honest, he has one and he offered to do them for me. So yeah, so they're ready to go. They just needed a quick clean, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the stuff out ready for tomorrow so I can do the same process hopefully. Right then, So now these are ready to be rebuilt. I have painted them in the silver hammerite because my black hammerite, as you can hear, it's got quite a lot, but it's dead. So I used silver hammerite instead. That's what I had. So also, when you buy these rebuild kits, they don't actually come with these two items, so you need to make sure that you get these. So I've got new grease nipples because, as you can see, that one, there's probably no wrong with it, but it just looks a bit tired, a bit old, got old grease in it and things like that, and it's a bit rusty. So we've got new grease nipples, and we've also got a fitting kit as well. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to put that on there. It says it's very cold, so the rubber's obviously very tight to get on. I'll put you on time lapse so you don't have to watch me struggle. So I'll pause it there while I put that rubber on, because that was ridiculous. So the rubbers are on, so I'll slide that in there like that and fit that on the end, washer and nut. That's that one done. That on there, and it goes. Where does that go? Washer, and that, and that, and then that, and that's that one done. There we go. I will get, see what I mean, they just get covered in crap again. I will get a spanner on that, and obviously these all need tightening up once it's on the car, and then that's good to go. So that's two top arms completely rebuilt. Many thanks to Mr. Murphy there on that one. So let's see what else we can do while we're in here. Right then, so the next thing on the agenda to clean up are the hubs. So I'm going to replace the bearings, so what I'd rather do now is clean them all up, get them all nice, then I can knock the old bearings out, and then hopefully, as you can see, I have really struggled to get that off. I do have, well, I thought I had the correct spanner or socket somewhere, but I may not have, so I might have to get one of them. So yeah, need to clean these up because they're absolutely caked in crap. I've got another wire brush which I think is a bit more abrasive, so hopefully that's going to clean them up nicely. Let's see. I've got a vice just there. So I don't know why I'm doing that. Right, let me set you back up. Right, so I'm going to actually use my vice. again, you really don't want to see me just do this, so let me do them and come back to you. Right then, so after a bit of cleaning, this is what we end up with. Again, is it perfect? No. Is it going to suit my needs? Yes. Look at the difference. Absolutely perfect. So now it's onto this one. Now, as you can see, like I say, I couldn't remove these. I've not even tried to remove that one, to be fair. I got my fat side, I just couldn't remove this side at all. I've scarred it and everything trying to get it off. I wasn't going to use them again anyway. So it makes no odds really. So yeah, we'll give it a quick clean, use the wire brushes on it, and then they'll get a coat of etch primer for this evening. Right, it's been a full 24 hours now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Did the house explode?
No.
No? So we're still alright. So what we're going to do is I'll show you the actual brake disc, and then you can actually see, we're going to clean it off and see if it's worked. So apparently Holly wants to tell you the rest of this now, so go on.
So we've got vinegar in this yellow one, and then in this pan we've got cold water, and we're going to see if the brake disc washes in the cold water, but the top might not because it's not been in the vinegar, and the bottom might not.
Yeah, so that's it coming out and straight into the water, and let's have a look.
Wow, that's shiny now.
I think our little science experiment has worked. Now, I don't think it's going to work. Oh, no, it has worked on the back as well.
Oh!
We didn't think it was going to work on the back because the back was actually sat on there. I mean, look at the rust that's come off that.
Yeah.
Horrible.
It's very thick.
But yeah, I think something like a paintbrush just to agitate that, and I'm pretty sure.
Got a paintbrush in there.
Okay, we'll get a paintbrush.
I think it's for food though.
Oh, we're not
We
using
might need to wash it.
No, we're not using that. So, this is the brake disc.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean. And this is what it used to look like. So we're going to do the same process. Not going to film it because it is what it is. It's the same thing. But we're going to put, I've got some more vinegar. It's 29p a bottle, so why not? So I've got loads more. We'll empty all this out and we'll start again. And then hopefully we'll have two nice shiny brake discs.
And our little science project is done.
Again, Holly wants to do the outro. So what are you going to say?
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. She gets that off all the YouTube channels she watches. So yeah, I know it's been a bit of a all over episode, but that's what most of my episodes are like anyway, so it is what it is. So hope you enjoyed that little science experiment there. You enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yeah.
We didn't blow up the house like she thought we was going to do. Thanks for watching, guys.